Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medicose. Today we will have a brief review of FLEXIN. First of all, we will discuss about its packaging. It is available in two strengths, 250 mg and 500 mg. It is a product of Abbott Laboratories. So if we talk about active ingredients, which is actually the naproxen. First we will discuss naproxen's chemistry. The chemical name of it is 2-methoxy-naphthalene 2-ioylpropanoic acid. It is actually a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. There is a class of NSAID called propanoic acid derivative. Naproxen actually belongs to it. Now its mode of action, that how it performs its function. So it's actually non-selectively inhibit the activity of cyclooxygenase 1 and cyclooxygenase 2 enzyme. When both of these enzymes become inhibit, the production of prostaglandins and the thromboxane will also be inhibited. Now we know that our body pain sensation, inflammation, fever are actually regulating by these mediators. If these are not produced, then these sensation will also be lost. Now we will touch its clinical application and usage. So it is used for the treatment of gout. Gout is a form of arthritis in which uric acid accumulates in your body, especially in your joints, and the joints become painful. Furthermore, it is used for the treatment of ankylosing spondylitis, ocular hypertension, rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, headache, toothache, fever, migraine, and dysmenorrhea, which is actually a heavy menstrual pain. Now we talk about its contraindication. So the pregnant women, lactating women, and the patient of kidney failure and the cardiac failure should not use it without physician's prescription. You will also use it with combination of omeprazole, esomeprazole if you have a peptic ulcer or a gastric ulcer. Now turn to its dosage. Initially take 1 tablet and goes to maximum as 2 tablets per day. It should be good if you take it with milk or antacid, with meal or after meal, so the chance of gastrointestinal disturbances will be minimized. Now comes to its side effect. It includes abdominal pain, vertigo, jaundice, tinnitus. At last, we concluded this medicine is useful for joints pain, muscular pain, headache, menstrual pain, back pain, and fever. If this video is informative, kindly appreciate my effort. Give a big thumb.
And if you have any query and need any type of consultancy, you will be put in comment box. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Allah Hafiz.